Hello, my name is Matt Novak, President of Mease Countryside and Mease Dunedin Hospitals, and I'd like to welcome you to the new Bilheimer Tower.
For more than 40 years, the Morton Plant Mease Healthcare Foundation has provided philanthropic support to the not-for-profit hospitals of Morton Plant Mease. Grateful for the care they or their loved ones have received at Mease Countryside Hospital, our current campaign strengthens our legacy by engaging longtime friends, mobilizing passionate volunteers, and inspiring hundreds of new supporters. It is a privilege to recognize and thank Nancy and David Bilheimer for their $5 million transformational gift. In gratitude, we are proud to name the new Nancy and David Bilheimer Tower in their honor.
This $156 million project allows us to expand the Mease Countryside campus, add more private rooms, and be better prepared to meet the healthcare needs of our community for years to come.
I'm Becky Szolkowski. I'm the Director of Operations for the Mease Hospitals. One of the things that we wanted to do with the new Bilheimer Tower is have that one grand entrance that everyone could easily recognize and know where they're going.
One thing I'm proud of with this project is that we've worked very closely with the architect to design a warmer, a more friendly environment for our patients and for our visitors. Historically, hospitals have been very stark and sterile in their design, and now with this renovation, we've been able to really warm up the environment and make it much more pleasing.
We know that no one likes to come into the hospital, so we wanted it to feel warm, welcoming, and really be a place of healing and comfort for both our patients and our families. Our volunteers are in a new office space right off of the main lobby, and our new Entel Education Center is right down the main hallway as well.
The new observation unit is a way that we will transform how we care for observation patients. This will allow us to take the patients who are not sick enough to be admitted as an inpatient, but still need further monitoring and testing, to keep those patients on one unit and again focus on their care so that we can expedite their care and get them back home where they can heal with their loved ones.
With the construction of the Bilheimer Tower and how it connects to the Villa Tower and the Schaefer Tower, we created a courtyard in the center of all the buildings. It's a tranquil garden, it's a green space, and it's really just a place for team members, for providers, for patients, for families, to be able to step outside of the building and take a deep breath, get some fresh air, and hopefully have a little bit of peace and calm. Really excited for the second floor of the Bilheimer Tower. It's our new integrated platform for our critical care units. We're going from 26 critical care beds up to 34. We're very excited to be able to provide that higher level of care to more patients when they need it.
Part of this project is consolidating the intensive care unit and the critical care unit onto one level. And in doing so, this is hugely beneficial for both the patient and to our clinical team. This allows us to have all the specialists, the respiratory team, the critical care physicians, and everyone else in close proximity so that we have instant care and communication for all of our patients.
As we move up to our third and fourth floor, they are two identical 35-bed medical surgical telemetry units. These are for patients that have any medical conditions or surgical procedures that require an inpatient stay. Medical surgical telemetry rooms are all private and all spacious. We also incorporated artwork into the head wall. Again, we just wanted to bring in that feeling of warmth and comfort and really make it welcoming and as homey as we can for when you have to be in the hospital. Our team members were involved in the design of this building from the very beginning. One of the things that was very important to them was to have a centralized collaboration space. So what we had typically called a nurse's station on most of our units, we're now calling our collaboration stations. This is centrally located, easy access, where all of our care providers can come together so that we can talk about the care of the patient and make sure that all of the people that are involved in the care are all on the same page and communicating with each other.
While the Bilheimer Tower is the focal point and the crown jewel of this project, we still have quite a bit of work to go over the next several years. We will be renovating the spaces that we vacated and moved into the new tower. This includes renovation of the entire surgery department on the second floor. It also includes all the lobbies on the first floor, as well as renovations to the cafeteria.
As the Bilheimer Tower becomes Mease Countryside's fourth building to showcase a benefactor's name, the power of philanthropy grows stronger. In fact, their lead gift has already helped to inspire additional support, including a $1 million gift from our newest benefactors, Paula and Peter Vasotis. The gifts we receive continue a legacy of excellence and contribute to the life-saving programs and technologies that have revolutionized patient care. On behalf of the Morton Plant Mease Healthcare Foundation and the communities we serve, it is an honor to be part of this extraordinary community of active philanthropists, involved leaders, and passionate volunteers. Together, we're making a real difference for the communities we all know and love. Thank you.
Mease Countryside Hospital is here to serve our community, and the new Bilheimer Tower will ensure that we can serve our mission now and into the future.
Every construction project's a journey, but I'm really proud of this one and I'm really excited for the future. This project really is going to benefit both our team members and our community in fulfilling the mission of our organization.